In this video, we will talk about what can you actually do in the metaverse in 2022. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from RS Technology. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. The metaverse is often couched in such futuristic terms that it's difficult to understand how you can get involved in it today. But the truth is, metaverse-like worlds have been around for decades, and it's possible you will have already experienced some of them without necessarily being aware of it. What is the metaverse again? Drawing on venture capitalist Matthew Ball's framework, the metaverse is a persistent online world that blurs the lines of reality and virtual reality. Far more than a Call of Duty match, the metaverse refers to a 24/7 online world, inhabited by economies that incentivize a new network of creators and infrastructure providers. Crucially, this economy revolves around in-game assets that are interoperable. This concept diverges greatly from the walled gardens, closed ecosystems, of which we're used to today. Ball provides the example of a skin for a Counter-Strike gun that could easily be turned into a decoration for a Fortnite weapon. While Mark Zuckerberg's Meta, formerly Facebook, has its own ideas about the metaverse, the cryptocurrency community thinks blockchain technology is a perfect fit for this novel online world. Crypto games like The Sandbox and Decentraland offer early visions of how a creator-led, crypto, and NFT-powered economy could function. So here's what you can do in the metaverse today. Build, explore, and play in virtual worlds. Games like Minecraft and Roblox have been providing metaverse-like experiences for the better part of a decade. Both Second Life and EVE Online have been alive and kicking since 2003, and World of Warcraft sprang to life in 2004. Second Life is one of the closest metaverse analogs due to its creator-led economy and sprawling sandbox world. You can do anything you like in Second Life, and some people have been documented to spend their lives in the game, living off the virtual land, harvesting the game's in-game currency, Linden dollars, and attending events. In the 2020s, crypto games like The Sandbox and Decentraland are tilting the video game economy on its head by adding digital assets to the mix. Not only can you import your own non-fungible tokens, NFT, into the games and buy virtual land, but you can also use the game's fungible governance tokens to alter the parameters of the virtual world you'll inhabit, explore, and build. Both are powered by cryptocurrencies. The Sandbox uses fungible sand tokens as in-game currency and uses NFT to represent parcels of land and other game-native items, the kinds of assets that decorate your avatar. And Decentraland has fungible mana tokens and equivalent non-fungibles for virtual assets. To create accounts, you need only connect a crypto wallet, such as MetaMask. Though in Decentraland it is possible to play as a guest without connecting a crypto wallet. The Sandbox is technically in alpha testing phase, and the first season has closed, so you can't play it until the Alpha Season 2 is released, the date of which has not been confirmed. Crypto economics aside, these games play like any other sandbox game. You can roam around the game's respective virtual worlds, hanging out with the brands and celebrities that are rushing to corner the market. In virtual spaces like shopping malls, art galleries, or plazas, you can walk around and speak to people, play games, build houses, or attend events. Decentraland even hosts its own music festivals. Unfortunately, despite the advancements in modern computer game graphics, many of these newer games look no better than Second Life did back in 2003. But the magic is, at least in theory, in the relationships you can forge with your virtual brethren. Read more. Who's using the metaverse? Poker players in Decentraland? Meet people from anywhere for work or play. There are plenty of hangout spaces in the metaverse. While you can certainly congregate in huge open worlds like the Sandbox and Decentraland, you can also play around with custom-built rooms on platforms like Spatial. These apps are purpose-built for events, conferences, and meetings. You can log into Spatial with a Web 2 login like Google, or with a Web 3 login like MetaMask. Spatial's virtual worlds are separated into rooms. You can either visit pre-built rooms or create your own. Spatial's galleries support NFT. You can move about Spatial's world on mobile, Steam, on a browser, or through an Oculus VR headset. Virtual reality is strong on one of Ball's criteria for the Metaverse: presence. Strap on a VR headset, like an HTC Vive, Valve Index, or Meta, formerly Oculus, Quest, and launch yourself into cyberspace. Meta, formerly Facebook, is building a social hub for its VR headsets, and Steam's VR software comes pre-installed with a virtual home. Games like VR Chat predated crypto and allow you to enter rooms full of other people wearing VR headsets, dressed in whatever avatar they like. Companies like MetaHub are creating virtual hangout spaces for conferences and business events, and Decentraland hosted its first music festival in 2021. Although artists were doing that in Second Life long before it was cool. Hanging out is where the boundaries of the metaverse can start to blur and the marketing spiel begins to unravel. Is Zoom a fundamental part of the metaverse because of its track record of connecting workplaces and sparking a work-from-home revolution? Or is it, as Mark Zuckerberg mentioned in his Meta keynote, an unconvincing alternative to reality that replaces in-person interaction with rows of faces on screens? Create a 3D avatar that looks like you, or not. Your avatar is a big part of your metaverse identity. For some, profile picture NFT like CryptoPunks or the Bored Ape Yacht Club are sufficient for Discord and Twitter, mostly text-based platforms where a 2D picture is good enough. For 3D realms, apps like Ready Player Me offer composable digital identities that claims can be used in 1,330 apps and games, including Nike's RTFKT, Somnium Space, and VR Chat. You could also buy an NFT sneaker from RTFKT or an avatar from its upcoming Avatar project, although it's unclear which games will let you wear these. In Somnium Space, an Ethereum-based virtual reality open world similar to Decentraland, you can import a Ready Player Me avatar created from nothing more than a selfie. Following Ball's framework, this fulfills the criteria of interoperability, the ability to take your digital assets with you no matter which platform or app you are using. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.